What's happening? This is luhsant. I'm gonna give y'all a little easy, little simple tutorial on how to add chat. If you want to add any other widget, this is a little simple way how to add widgets to your OBS or to your stream. If you're trying to live stream, become a streamer. Here you go. Okay, guys, now go to the browser of your choice, and then when you go here, type in Botrix, Botrix. You know what I'm saying? When you're here, click enter. Go to the top search, log in to whatever service you're using. If you're using YouTube, log in with YouTube. If you're using Kick, log in with Kick. You can use multiple two at the same time, so if you want to add certain things to each other, you can do that too, actually. But I'm going to just log in with Kick. Go to my Kick. When we're logged in, I'll go back. As you can see, I'm logged into my Kick. I'm logged into my YouTube. I'm logged into a couple things over here, my TikTok. So once you're here, click on whatever service that you're going to be using first, or whatever service you want to click on. So I'm gonna click on my YouTube chat. I want my YouTube chat, right? So I'm gonna click configure on YouTube. Go over here to widgets, where you see widgets over here. Click on widgets, and I'm gonna go to chat. And it's the same exact thing for everything. So if you want to add your notifications, same thing. Your any other bot, same exact thing. So I would go down here, just press the copy button. It might look a little funky right now, but from right here, you want to go down. I don't know if you guys can look at the bottom of my screen where the blue is highlighted. You're going to click on add. You're going to add a new one. Go to browser source. You're going to add a new browser source. And then when you're here, just add it to whatever it is. So this is the chat. So I'm going to add it as chat. Paste what you just copied in right here. You can see if I put this right here just like this. Bam. Bam. This is my chat box. Anybody sends a message, it's going to pop up on my screen. So position that wherever you want to, just like that. That's all you need to know. And if you guys have any other questions, don't be afraid to send me a little message, send a message in the chat. I appreciate everybody for watching. Everyone have a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you for watching.